think the main problem is here. So if I touch this, see, it's changing, see. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you another issue that I experienced in Teverun Fighter Supreme. So I saw also one guy posting that they having the same problem with mine, which is the RGB lights are not working properly. So I will show you what is the issue. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. Okay, and then this is the lights button. So as you may notice that here is red light, and then this is white color from all the deck, all white. So once I change, see the color is changing, and I try to connect in app but it's still not working. So I try to connect in my applications if the lights are working, and this, so I change. So as you can see, I'm pressing, right, but as you may notice that these lights are not moving now. Yes, yeah, see, no changes. All lights are stuck up with one is red and then the rest is white. So I think the main problem is here. So if I touch this, see, it's changing, see. If I press here, so I think there is some issue in this connection of RGB lights. So I will try to fix this and I will share to you guys step by step. See, the wire is cut already, so two wires here, it's not soldered properly. So I think I need to solder here properly so that the lights will work